All right, here it is. See, there are bedtime, cleanup time, lunchtime, playtime, school time, family time. Here's our favorite: daddy, mommy, sister, brother, and little baby. There are 6 books, so let's read. Wait. From where I can get these? Yeah, this is our magical books. Can't wait. So, here the bedtime, cleanup time, lunchtime, playtime, school time, and family time. So, what shall we read first? Cleanup time, family time, school time, and playtime. I suppose we will start from the school time. School time. JJ sees all his friends at school. Nina, Cody, Nicole, Cece, and Bella. Miss Appleberry reads stories to the class. She teaches us to share our toys and to always be kind. She teaches us to sing and dance. School is so much fun. Well, okay, let's read. Lunchtime. What's in JJ's lunchbox today? Chicken nuggets and carrots. Yummy! Nina has rice and beans. Tasty! Cece has veggies and rice. Yum yum! Cody has sandwiches. What's your favorite food? Okay, let's read cleanup time. We have had lots of fun today. Now it is time to clean up and put everything away. We put all the toys back on the shelves. We put all the paints and brushes back in the box. When we work together, tidying up is easy. Okay, what's the book that we can read? This, playtime. JJ loves playtime. Let's go to the playground. Reach up high and climb the bus. Climbing is fun. Let's go down the slide. Whee! Push me on the swings, Mom. Whoosh! Up high we go. Okay, next we will read family time. Daddy is playing the guitar. JJ likes to play along. Mommy is exercising. JJ likes to exercise with Mommy. TomTom is JJ's brother. He shares his toys with JJ. YoYo is JJ's sister. She teaches JJ to paint pictures. You can see here, there's Daddy, Mommy, YoYo, JJ, and TomTom. Okay, our last book is going to be Bedtime. It's time to go to bed. First, we brush our teeth. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Next, it's time to have a bath. Now, we are all clean. Let's put on our pajamas. JJ's pajamas are blue and soft. Mom reads a story to JJ. Good night, JJ. Good night, Mommy. Very interesting. I love CoComelon. I know that you also love CoComelon. So, we will see you again with another unboxing, another beautiful stories soon. Till then, love you all. Bye-bye. Let's go, CoComelon. Bye.
BookTube Kids.